Bro, the freaking Demon doesn't have a sunroof, bruh. Come on, bruh. And how do I know it's a Demon? You can see it on the seat. We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around, man. We about to do this quick walk around, see if they got anything new in here today. You just never know, man, so just gotta come and look. But shouts out to Copart though. I love y'all. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. I'm going crazy on TikTok. We Hustle Daily. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co, and make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if y'all interested in learning how to buy and sell cars at the auction, public auction, dealer auction. Even if you're trying to buy cars off the street, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know how to properly inspect a car. So please just don't buy nothing off Craigslist thinking you know how to inspect a car when you don't, because William, he gonna sell you a lemon, trust me. So I got a lot of tips and tricks when it comes to picking out cars at the auction, so make sure y'all check the website out. But let's go ahead and get into this walk around and see if we can find anything new today, man. Yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, this thing is new. This M4 carbon fiber on the wing, looks good. Got some type of wheels on there, looks good. 71,000 miles on it. Got the crazy red interior, looks good. I like the way this M4 looks. It actually looks really pretty sweet. Got the nice seats. The seats look like they don't really super hug you in like a lot of the racing seats do. It's like more room in these seats. Carbon fiber all on the trim and the trim. Let me see. Man, I'm sitting low. Woo. Sound raggedy. Turn that off. That engine light and all that on. That's BMW for it, right? BMW for you, right? All kind of toe up, but the interior go crazy though. 28, not 15. See the damage? Damn. Is that a V6 4-cylinder? What is this? Y'all let me know in the comments below what this is. 4-cylinder what? Let's see. Does it say? But maybe I'm missing it, overpassing it. I don't see it, but I don't see it. But I don't know what. Y'all let me know what liter this is that they give you in the M4. Is that a V6? What is that? It looks good though, but it's raggedy. Let me know what y'all think about it. All right, guys, check us out, man. We got a Dodge Charger RT. Are you guys digging these wheels? They straight. Now they're different type of wheels, because I'm noticing, like, you know, wait, did they paint them? They were probably chrome. Okay, they were chrome. They were chrome going crazy. So they was all chrome. They blacked them out. But you see how the rim like goes here? I think they straight. They straight. That's the name of them right there. RT Hemi. And not only, they're offset as well. So you can see how they cave in right here. It might have been nice with the gold. Oh, I mean, not gold, it's chrome, my bad. But it is the RT. Now it does look like they got a couple of marks on here, so I don't know where's the damage. But I can't blame this one on you Mopar guys crashing and stuff, because this one is not crashed. It says fire damage. So I don't know what that's about. Let's see if we can find the fire in here. Smell like they be smoking that good Mary Jane up in this thing. Let's see, boy, they got the leather. At least they gave you the leather, man, because you know some RTs, they do not give you leather, so that's good. Do they even got a sticker on here? No, this must be pretty new. I don't even think this one's for sale yet, but I do not see. They could have put the RT on the seat for me at least. But I smell like the weed, but I don't really see what they burnt it up at. Unless it's up under the hood. No power. Oh, I see it right here. Damn fire up under here. So something caught on fire up under there. That's Dodge for you, man. Dodge, come on, bro. Yep, joint caught straight on fire, man. So Hemi 5.7. Give you what you need to go, but Dodge is having some fire issues. But let me know what y'all think about these wheels. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like them. They different to me. I like them. Let me know though what y'all think in the comments below. And here we are once again showing you guys, you Mopar guys, man. Tearing stuff up. 1, 2, 3. Behind this truck, 4. Over there, 5. I just showed y'all. White car, 6. Like, come on, bro. Y'all don't know how to drive. I'm convinced. Y'all don't know how to drive, man. 6.2. Y'all see the damage on this one. This one is pretty much done for on a 2018 Challenger 6.4. 48,000 miles on this one. Decent green. Man, they ran into something crazy. Scat Pack on the seats. No roof, man. They ought to be ashamed for giving you that big motor without the roof, bro. Like, come on, man. Check out the back. Back look decent, size right there. Then you got this one, V6 on the wheels. Some type of wheels here. 111 on the miles. Really? Are y'all false claiming again, bro? Like, come on, dog. 2016. No, they false claiming, bro. Why do y'all be doing that? I could have just started it and could tell myself. I don't see nothing on here that looks like it's the 6.4. Come on, bro. Y'all need to cut it out, boy. I tell you. We got another Scat Pack over here, 392. They got the red, yellow, and black thing going on with the black, yellow Brimbos. The freaking yellow, like honeycomb stripes going on. I don't really like it, honestly. Me personally, they got the Scat Pack emblem. They go with another one. Just regular V6 though. Yeah, I think it's just too much going on with this. They color match. They did color match. It does match, but I don't know. There's just too much colors going on, and they added that black. No leather though, man. I would have to get the leather in one of these, bruh. Like, come on, man. They put the leather in some of the RTs and everything, bro. Not gonna give me the leather. Scat Pack emblem. Let's see how they cannot drive. No, it was their fault. 2018, 55,000 miles on this one. No, it was their fault, bruh. I know it was your fault, dog. Yeah, I know. I know it was you. I can't even get that open, but what y'all think about that, man? And they got another one freaking over there, bro. I learned how to drive, y'all. All right, guys, so let's make our way to the front. I ain't seen nothing in this joint, bro. Nothing. Zip. Zip, zippity, zip, zip, zip. They got a Dodge Demon up there, though. I'm about to show y'all that. I ain't never seen no Dodge Demon before. I was looking at it, but I didn't record it. It looks the same. It don't look like nothing, you know what I'm saying, spectacular. Whoa. What we got here? We got an old school Supra. Okay. Old school. Looks like the hubcaps don't match, though. And that's not even a hubcap right there, is it? Yeah, that's the regular aluminum wheel. That's old school right there for you right there. 1990 what? Let me see. 1990 or 89 or something like that. 91. Why y'all? Is that a sunroof? They painted it or what? Man, I'll tell you one thing I've never seen in the auction before: a regular Supra. I mean, not the regular one. This is a regular one, but the newer body Supra. It's dirty as hell in here. The Supras need some cosmetic work. Damn sure probably not gonna crank up. Let's see. And it stinks in here, man. When you got a car like this, you're supposed to take care of it, bro. No, these are like classics, especially the one like after this one. I don't know. You think people care about this one like that, or is it just the other one? Ooh, let me go. Use the muscles. So we got a Yep, inline 6-cylinder here. Yeah, but this thing is kind of raggedy though. I mean, needs some TLC. But that's one car that's one car I just thought about that I've never seen at the auction. Not even like at a, you know, the Super after this one. So, you know, like the one that was in Fast and the Furious. That's one thing I've never seen before. Like the good Super, the one that everybody wants, you know. I haven't seen that one at the auction before. Okay, they got a little Beetle. And it's in good condition. Check that out. And it's a drop top. And they'll drop the top on you. You haters. Look at that. Look at that. These things look so funny. Wow. 1971. That's how it sounds when the door open. Looks good. Got some back room back there. Okay. Okay. Look like it says something. Okay. Oh, you dropped the top on the haters though. Oh, it is stick shift. Oh, these seats are like bouncing. Oh, bounce. And it's like murder she roll. Let's see. This stick shift feels so funny. Hold on, before y'all think I'm not putting my feet on the what you call it? And I am in neutral. Let me show y'all because y'all be, you ain't put your feet on the brake. You ain't do this. Is that neutral? Hold on. That's neutral, right? So it sounds like it want to crank, but it just won't crank, man. But put that joint back in here. Oh, my shoe fell off. But I ain't seen this one here. First time seeing this one, 1971 Beetle. That's crazy. And then we got a Pontiac G8 GT. Maybe it was the GT. The motor's gone. I don't know if it was the GT or not. They didn't strip, they script this thing. Yeah, this might have been the GT, G8 GT. Got the little lion badge right here. I think they added that though. You don't know. How could you tell? Can't really tell, huh? Got different seats and everything here. Yeah. They got what they needed out that boy and left it wherever it was. Oh, snap. What do we have here? Oh, I've seen this before. This is I don't even know what this is. What is this, ladies and gentlemen? I don't even know. An MG? I think they had another one here, but it was somewhere else. Damn, this one dirty as heck. Stick shift. Looks similar to the Beetle though, but man, that joint is trash, bro. All right, man, let's go show y'all this other demon and we're gonna keep moving. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Check this one out, man. We got a Dodge Demon. You can tell by the hood. Wide body. The little emblem gone. 23,000 miles on it. They all look the same as far as the interior of all the Dodges. Bro, the freaking Demon doesn't have a sunroof, bruh. Come on, bruh. And how do I know it's a Demon? You can see it on the seats, man. And you had that Tom Ford in there. Damn. That's crazy though. They don't do nothing different for the Demon, bro. Nothing. Just, I guess it's just the hood. It's yellow. White, red, black, SRT. Ugly demon wheels. Hideous demon wheels. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, they did that, I guess. They put the little demon symbol right there. That's pretty cool, I think. Huh? What y'all think about it? Red valve covers. That's the only thing I see really different. Air grabber. Wide body. The wide body on this looks so much more aggressive to me for some reason. I don't know why. It looks a little different, but hey, that's how they did it, man. I don't even know why this thing here, but I'm mad they didn't give us a dang on sunroof. There's no key for me even to crank it though. Oh, here we go. Y'all see it? 2,185 built. Y'all see it? It is a demon. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Y'all seen it? Let's keep moving. And all right, Hustle Nation, man, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. I'm sorry about that. Turn it down a little bit, but ain't nothing in there for me. Y'all know how the game go. Y'all know I like buying cheap cars. Didn't see no cheap cars, but I seen a couple of. We seen a demon today. That was cool. I ain't never seen one of those in person before, so that was cool. But other than that, well, y'all see y'all on the next video. I can't let y'all know. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all haven't done so already, man. It's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. In the link in the description below, all the links. It's your boy Ray, Big Player. I'm out.